Hello everyone, Salimah here. This is part 3 of our CBD information videos, and I want to introduce you now to tinctures. And a tincture is an oil-based CBD type of delivery system, and there's a little bit of coconut oil and it's suspended in an oil that has no taste or flavor. So this is the tincture, and this is the extra strength tincture. So you have a little bit more of a concentrate in a 30 ml bottle. It is sealed here, so this is child safe, and it will ship in this way so that you know that you're receiving a product that hasn't been tampered with. You simply open up the seal, and the instructions here are to take either a half dropper or a full dropper. And you can see that there's markings on the dropper so that you have a good understanding of what your dosage might be. I would start small, so start with a quarter drop and see how it happens. If you feel that you need a little bit more coverage, then go with a half dropper, 3/4 dropper, and then also you have an option for a full dropper. The tinctures are great if you have anything from anxiety or depression, you're dealing with panic attacks, you have inflammation in the body, you have pain or discomfort in the body, and you're looking to treat with a natural plant medicine. So the good news here is that this is long lasting, and then the other thing that you need to know is that it takes a little bit of a while for this to kick in. So the way that you take this particular tincture is to figure out your dose. So I'm going to start small, and I've been taking this for a while, so I know what the effects are. It helps me relax, and I get a good sound sleep, as well as really more relaxed kind of approach to what's happening in my day. So I'm going to go with a quarter drop just to keep things light, and I'm going to take it underneath the tongue. And that's it. No flavor, no oil, and really now I just need to wait for about an hour for this particular dosage to kick in. My recommendation is that you start in the morning, take the dosage, start small, and then 8 hours later start to introduce a little bit more, and then 8 hours later do that again. So this could happen first thing in the morning, around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then again before bed. And what you'll have is great coverage and a slow release over a course of a day. And what I would recommend if you're trying this for the first time is to really give yourself, a day or two where you may be on holiday, maybe you don't have to do too much outside of the home, so that you can kind of check in with yourself. How am I feeling? Am I feeling more relaxed? Am I feeling a little less nervous, less anxious? And then how are my faculties? Do I feel like I can drive? Do I feel like I can make good decisions? And of course you will be able to. It's just everybody's a little bit different. So make sure that you do that. Try it for your first time without having too much of pressure over the course of your day. And then gradually over time, as you figure out your dosing, remember everyone's different, then you'll be able to tell, okay, I can do this and I can drive just fine, I can do this and I can make decisions just fine, or maybe I just do this on the weekend where there isn't much more going on. Okay, so that's your option. This is a tincture. It's a long-acting and slow-to-release type of medication. This is, again, non-psychoactive, so that means that there's no high feeling effect. You have more of a feeling of being grounded, relaxed, and able to go through your day with a little bit less anxiety and stress. If you've got pain in your body, this is a great way to heal from the inside out rather than using a topical. This is coming from inside to out. Okay, so let me know how this works for you. You can leave comments below. I'm happy to answer anything that you have. And if you're looking to purchase, you can always click the link in the description box. Thank you so much. It's Salimah from YogaVision. And today we're talking about tinctures, CBD tinctures.